All right, so let's start with covalent bonding. So, to differentiate between the ionic bonding and the covalent bonding, ionic bonding was when electron transfer takes place or when electron loss or gain happens. Whereas in covalent bonding, what actually happens is electron is shared. Alright, electron sharing occurs between two atoms. How does that happen? Let's see. For example, if you have a hydrogen atom, I'll draw this with a dot, and you have another hydrogen atom, I'll draw the electron of this hydrogen with a cross, and this hydrogen I have shown its electron with a dot just to differentiate between two electrons. There is no other reason for this. So what these both hydrogen want is to complete their duplet. They have one shell, they want to complete their duplet. But no one wants to give one of their electron, the only electron that they have. They do not want that because both want to complete their duplet and both cannot lose. None of these hydrogen atoms can lose an electron. Otherwise, it will not form its duplet. So what they do is instead of donating, instead of gaining or losing an electron, they would want to share their valence electrons. So the new structure that will be formed is hydrogen, or let me draw it with the same color actually. The hydrogen with this blue electron will share its valence electron with this hydrogen with this yellow cross electron. Now, both these atoms will come closer together. Both these electrons will be shared within both of these atoms. Now, their duplet is complete. They have shared electron and their valency is now satisfied. We call this sharing of electron a covalent bond. So covalent bond is the and now when they are close together, they have an electrostatic force of attraction between them, between these two atoms, which is called the covalent bond. All right. So covalent bonding, its definition is you must say that it is an electrostatic force of attraction, electrostatic force of attraction between nuclei and electron in the overlapped region. Let me explain again. This region that is overlapped and the positive nuclei, both this is negatively charged, the nuclei are positively charged. So this electrostatic attraction between this shared pair of electrons and the nuclei, this is what a covalent bond is. This force of attraction between the positive nuclei and the shared pair of electrons is the covalent bonding. All right. So if we talk about this H2 molecule or the hydrogen gas that we say, it has two shared electrons. It is sharing two electrons, one electron each. It has one electron bond pair. If I write it like this, both hydrogens have shared one electron, and we call this an electron bond pair. All right. So this is the hydrogen molecule, the covalent bonding in hydrogen molecule. All right. So let's move on. And because one electron is being shared by each atom, we call it a single covalent bond. Why? Why single covalent bond? Because one electron is shared by each atom. That is why we call it a single covalent bond, and we donate it. It is denoted by the single line. The single line between two hydrogens shows us that there is a single covalent bond. I'll see you in the next video with another example.